Found this mushroom on the side of a tree. It's a lion-mane mushroom. These mushrooms are edible. I've eaten them before. I'm on the dark, cloudy, rainy Friday morning hike at Iroquois Park. It's not raining now, but when I first got here it was. So I decided to walk around the golf course and find some golf balls for my grandson. He plays golf. I don't know how many I found. Got a bag full. Now that it stopped raining, I'm gonna go do a little off-trail hiking and try to find some deer. My oldest grandson's the only one of my grandchildren that plays golf. My other three don't. I'm going to put the golf balls in my car before I go off-trail hiking. I see a pileated woodpecker up in that tree. It's pretty dark. Wish it wasn't so dark. Yeah, it just blew off. Now I'm doing what I love. I'm out hiking. Hope it doesn't start raining again. I hate hiking on wet leaves. I'm going to have to be extra careful. I just saw some deer run off up there, but I'm not sure where they are now. They seem like they were in a hurry. I don't see them anywhere. Looking up the hill and I see some more deer. I hiked up here, but now I don't see the deer. Where'd they go? I haven't found those deer, but I'm going to stay up here for a while. I like hiking this area. I think I found a deer. That's a young buck. He's going down the hill. Well, he disappeared in that mess. I have no idea where he is now. They definitely have a lot of places to hide in this park. I found another deer. Where is it going? Looks like it's going back up the hill. Is that buck again? Could be that same buck. There's two of them up there. I think that young buck and a doe. There goes the young buck. I think that's a doe. No, that's a young buck. Two young bucks up there. Maybe they're twins. They're way up there on the hill. I'm not going to follow them up there. One come down and jump over that log. Now where'd he go, or where'd they go? I don't see them. There they are up there, picking up speed. There they go up that hill. Now, do I want to hike down this hill or go up there and try to follow those bucks? I don't see the bucks anymore, but I think I will hike over in that direction. Well, I lost those bucks, but that's all right. I've seen them before. Now I'm gonna hike down this hill. Just found some more deer. There's one looking at me. That's a buck. That's a young buck. Where'd the other one go? There it is. That's another young buck. Could that be the same two I saw earlier? I think it is. They're running off. Going in that direction. And I'm not going back in that direction. I'm headed off in this direction. I still see them over there. He's coming back to get a good look at me. There he goes. Now they're in front of me again. I'm hiking up this hill. Now they're way over there. I'm not getting any good deer pictures or video. They're just not cooperating this morning. Just hiked up this hill. Looking around, I don't see anything. I'm still not having much luck with the deer. I'm gonna hike down this hill now. Made it down to the bottom of this hill. Now I'm gonna cross that gully and hike up that hill. There's a buck up there staring at me. Where is he going? He's going back in that mess. Ah, there's two bucks back there. There's a bigger buck back there. Oh, this buck is bedded down. Oh, I recognize this buck. I think I recognize both of them. He looks a little wet. I think he got rained on last night. And this guy's getting up now. Wasn't having a very good deer day, but this makes it a lot better. He's probably going to go over there and get with the other buck. They're back in that mess now. I don't think I'm going to see them again, but it's not going to stop me from trying. Well, found this buck again. Where's that bigger buck? He probably knows where that bigger buck is. Probably over there in that area somewhere. Where's that bigger buck going? And I see that big buck in the distance. He's taking off now. And this one's following him. I got some pretty good pictures and video of them. I'm happy. There's that smaller buck. Don't see the bigger buck, but I think he does. Well, I think I see them again. Bigger buck's over there somewhere. There he is. What is he looking at? Hello again. There's the big boy. This guy just watches me. Never runs off. Well, this sure made my day. There goes the bigger buck. Those two bucks are staying close together. The other one's over there somewhere. There it is. I'm gonna make my way up to Summit Field, and these two are going in the same direction right now. There's the other one. No, that's not the other one. Here's the other one down here. That must be a doe up there that big buck is following. Yeah, this is the other buck, so that big buck's up there following a doe, I think. I'm on my way up the hill. This one's behind me now. Where's that big boy? There he is. Isn't that a beautiful buck? I think that's the doe he's following. Where is it? It's behind that tree up there. There's the doe. Where is he? There he is. Keeping an eye on her. She is a pretty girl. And there he is over there watching her. He's still there. There's the beautiful doe. And there's the beautiful buck. That other buck stayed down there somewhere. I'm gonna try to get around them. Hello, pretty girl. She's watching him, and he is watching her. I'm gonna try to go in between them. Are you gonna let me get in between you? They're not running off yet. This guy's watching me. Oh, he's giving me the old foot stomp. She's not budging. Well, I just passed them and neither one of them ran off. There he is. I passed him now. Where'd that doe go? She's over there somewhere. Don't see her right now. I'm gonna leave them alone. Gonna make my way up to Summit Field. Oh, there's the doe. She didn't move. She's still there. And there he is, following her. Now where's he going? I think he's gonna stay with her. He's just circling around. There's that buck. I'm way up the hill now. And there's the doe. That definitely made my day. I'm getting close to the top now. This is one of my rest stops. I'm not gonna stop this morning. It's beautiful up here. There's Summit Field up there. I'm not gonna spend much time in Summit Field. I'm ready to go home. I'm on Top Hill Road, getting ready to walk through Summit Field. I'm on my way into Summit Field. It's starting to sprinkle again. There's nothing going on at the pond. Not much going on in Summit Field. If there's anything going on in this field, I'm not seeing it. This old man is cold, tired, and hungry. My feet are soaking wet. Getting ready to leave Summit Field now. I see Top Hill Road in front of me. I'm getting on Top Hill Road. I'm going to make my way to the North Overlook now. I'm on the blacktop path to the North Overlook. There's the North Overlook up there. I'm leaving the North Overlook. I'm going to take the stone steps down the Rundle Road. I'm on my way down the stone steps. I'm on Rundle Road and I see my car down there. Time for this old man to go home.